Well, I hope that people may one day understand where I'm coming from. Some people look at me and say, or may say, what is he talking about? What gives him the right to actually spout out what he's saying? Does he know what he's talking about? Well, these are the questions that people may initially ask, but I'm telling you here and now that what I'm saying is based on careful research, and I can back up my statements with actual facts that come from books which are good authority on the subject of human rights. It's becoming more and more evident as time goes on that our rights in society, the rights that we fought for and should uphold, are being breached by the moment, by the day, by the week. It is my avowed intention that this situation should not go on unchecked, that we should all be aware just exactly where we stand with one another, with the council, with the government, for they are the ones who may attempt to deprive us of our status. In our own domain, we are actually finding situations whereby our rights have been totally ignored. When legislation is passed, or whenever they say that legislation is being passed, we don't get the chance to check this. We have a right to know where we stand with the government, what our rights are as citizens, and what our status are, what our rights are when we are provoked or asked to address an issue, when someone approaches us, when we suspect that they are overriding our rights in society. We have a right to give our opinion and to back off, and not to indulge in any unnecessary conversation about imaginary litigation. This is my avowed intention, that I will go on perpetuating the idea of freedom of speech in all areas. Every facet of the human rights situation I will adhere to. I will stand up for myself and others who are in a position whereby their rights were breached and unnecessary action was taken against them, action and sorrow and regret, ill feeling and ill will, which was unnecessarily meted out or engendered. And this is a situation that I am definitely going to look into, and I'm going to turn the clock back, because I do believe that over the last few years our rights have been overridden. Thank you very much.